Man, I can't believe that Spanish boy named Rafael destroyed Desarmaduria Ipar with a vortex. I'm going to rebuild Desarmaduria Ipar right now. Yes! I rebuilt Desarmaduria Ipar. Yes! I rebuilt Desarmaduria Ipar. Yes! I rebuilt Desarmaduria Ipar. Oh look, is Nemesio, which is Tiana's dad.
That's right. And Gumball Watterson, thank you for rebuilding Desarmaduria Ipar. Now you can go home while I call your parents.
Gumball, good job for rebuilding Desarmaduria Ipar. Now people can search for car parts in this junkyard thanks to you.
That's it. You are ungrounded forever. You can hang out with Darwin and I.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. You guys are the best.